Today I'm going to be doing another turning project. I have already marked out and glued up this block. Now, what I'm making here is going to be something that is going to be used for casting in metal a form for. Now, the person I'm making this for may actually use this turning, but I think it'd be better if he casted it, but it's up to him entirely. So I marked the center. It's off a little bit, but that doesn't matter. I think I'd rather have that center be off just a smidgen anyways. And then I marked the size of the thing I'm going to turn. So first I'm going to use a bandsaw and I'm going to basically rough cut out this circle. Alright, this is done. This is going to be a bell for casting. So, it's a little bit bigger than the last one I made. But I think it's going to work out. This is also pine. I'm not very big fan of turning pine. This might be the very last time I do it. I used a CA glue finish on it to give a little bit more strength to the wood. And that's another one for the books.
Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.